Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are talking about what is operators. For to more learn in this channel, you are all welcome to my channel. But first and foremost thing, you need to subscribe my channel for more updates and to share my channel. So coming to the topic, what is operators? Let's see what is the operator really is. So the operators is nothing but in the computer programming language, operators are special symbols which represent computation, conditional matching, etc. So in every computer programming language, there are some of the things that are similar to each other in every programming language. For example, arithmetic operator is the component of operators. So arithmetic operator, in some of the programming language, they are same arithmetic operators. So to understand operators completely, we just wanted to listen it completely. So don't skip this video, guys. Watch this video till the end to learn the concept of operators. In computer programming, as I told you earlier, every computer programming changes for the control structures, but every programming language does not changes for the operators. Every programming language have same operators. Let's say Python has also same operator as in C++. For example, the value of an operator is called operands. If you are defining a value in the variable and that variable value is operands, and operators are categorized as arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment, etc. Values and variable when used with operator are known as operands, as I told you earlier. So to learn kind of operands, stay tuned guys, because I'm bringing the categories of operators. So stay tuned for to learn more about operator. Stay tuned for more to learn. Thank you guys. Share this video and subscribe to